I'd be better off all alone. I'd be better off all
What's up, Airsofters? This is the latest release in Airsoft gas blowback pistol accessories, the CNC'd aluminum tack glove series of 1911 pistol grips from Angel Custom. The tack glove series of pistol grips are available both for the 1911 WeTech variant as well as the Tokyo Marui compatible variant. The 1911 pistol grips are made of a CNC'd aluminum, come with an embedded grip tape surface for a more positive grip, as well as coming with some very unique etchings on both sides. These are featured with the Zodiac symbols of your choice. Available in all the Zodiac symbols. On either side, you've got two different symbols. I've outfitted this WeTech 1911 with the Aquarius symbol to coincide with my birthday. I think they look really cool. And they're available in three different colors: the anodized red, black, and dark gray. To find out more information about how you can customize your WeTech or TM 1911 even further, check out the Angel Customs Tack Glove series of pistol grips, available right now on our website at Evike.com.